because clutch performance is bigger than just makes and misses. It includes defense, playmaking, drawing fouls, and making the right read under pressure. We're not measuring all of that here. We're measuring one narrow slice of it, on purpose, so the comparison is actually apples to apples.
The clutch numbers in the finals and LeBron James is so embarrassingly one-sided that it should come with a parental warning. If there are LeBron fans that suffer from aletophobia, a fear of the truth, I would advise that you exit the video immediately.
Strong opener. Let's see if the numbers back it up. The definition being used here: final 5 minutes of the fourth quarter or overtime, score within 5 points. Every finals appearance for both guys.
He went a total of 42 of 92 from the field, which is 46%. Free throw line, he went 35 of 43, which is 82%.
That's Jordan under that 5-minute, 5-point definition. Now here's LeBron, same exact criteria.
Went a total of 26 of 78 from the field.
33%, 13 points lower than Jordan. That's a career's worth of finals appearances under this particular clutch filter, not literally every shot LeBron ever took under pressure. Series by series under that same filter, it gets worse.
2011 series against the Dallas Mavericks. He went 0 for 8 in the clutch.
Under this same clutch definition, 0 makes across that entire series. Then it happened again.
Against the Golden State Warriors, he went 3 of 15.
Under the same clutch criteria, 2015 finals, just 20%. Then Game 7, 2016, the game everyone remembers for the chase down block. In that same clutch shooting sample, LeBron went 1 for 5 from the field in Game 7, but his biggest contribution in those final minutes wasn't a shot. It was the chase down block on Andre Iguodala, one of the most replayed defensive plays in finals history, the kind of moment that shows up on every all-time highlight reel regardless of which side of this debate you're on. So if we're measuring clutch shooting specifically, Jordan has the clear edge here. If we're measuring clutch plays in the broadest sense, the story gets more complicated, because a block that swings a championship doesn't show up anywhere in a field goal percentage. Kyrie hit the actual title-winning shot moments later, off an isolation possession that had nothing to do with LeBron's own shot attempts that game. Then 2017, Game 3. Under this clutch criteria specifically, not the whole series stat line, LeBron averaged a triple-double across that finals and dropped 41 in Game 5. This is just the narrow clutch sample. Now the number that really tests it. Ball in your hands, game tied or you're down, you need a bucket to win or force overtime. 3 makes on real finals moments. Kerr's shot in 97, Paxson's in 93. Jordan's gravity helped create both opportunities. On the Kerr play, he drew Stockton's help himself and delivered the pass. The Paxson shot ran through Pippen and Grant first, but Jordan's attack is what forced the defense to collapse in the first place. Now LeBron, same exact situation. 0 makes under this specific sample across 5 real attempts. Some will say he's just too smart to force it, trusts the pass over the hero shot. Fair point, so let's check the pass too. Under this source's definition of a game-winning assist, that column is empty too. Worth being upfront that assisted game winner isn't an official league stat category, so treat this one as this specific breakdown's count, not a universally tracked number.
That's a pretty good sample size. And how many of those 94 shots has LeBron made? 19, for a shooting percentage of...
Using this database's definition of game-tying or go-ahead attempts, LeBron is 19 for 94 across the regular season and playoffs combined, about 20%. The same database puts Jordan at roughly 50% in that same situation. 50 versus 20 under one specific tracking method is still a massive gap either way. Now the other stat, different category, same theme. Everyone says LeBron's bigger, stronger, more athletic. Fair point. LeBron is listed at 6'9", 250 pounds. Jordan was listed at 6'6", 216. So explain this. Offensive rebounds aren't free. You're fighting through box outs, bodies, and positioning just to find the ball and win the possession. Smaller player, a more physical era with different perimeter defense rules and a rougher overall style of play. Jordan still outworked him on the glass.
LeBron's highest single-season regular offensive rebound average came in 2007-2008 at 1.8 per game. Across 23 seasons, he has never averaged 2 offensive rebounds a game in the regular season.
LeBron's highest single-season offensive rebound average was 1.8 per game in 2007-08. Across his 23 NBA seasons through 2025-26, he's never cleared 2. Jordan cleared 2 twice, in 1984-85 and again in 1986-87, in a league where offensive boards were arguably harder to come by, not easier.
Jordan's career playoff offensive rebound average goes even higher at 1.7 a game. LeBron's is lower at approximately 1.5.
Playoffs, higher stakes, tighter defense, every possession worth more. Jordan's number goes up, not down. 2 categories: clutch shooting under one specific definition and offensive rebound